Hello everyone, this is Brad again. Today I'm going to be going over boundary surveys again. I really want to dive into what you're actually looking at on the survey itself. Again, this is a True North survey here, so I'm going to zoom in here. So as I stated in my other video, so the outer boundary line is in blue. So this is the perimeter of your boundary. And then it will show you all of the improvements within. So you have your greenhouse outlined, or your house outlined in green here. You'll have your concrete driveways, pool decks, screen enclosures. You'll have utility pads such as like AC pads. You have another concrete pad here. Then you'll see these lines coming off the house to the blue line. So these are called ties. So this is going to be the distance from the front of your house to your boundary line. So you got 31.19. So you got just over 31 feet. On this end, you have 25, and then these are your side ties. So you've got 12 feet, just a little under 13 foot on the side here, and 13 feet on this side. And then to the back, you got 54. You'll also have ties from your screen enclosures to the boundary. Looking around, you'll see this dashed line with the X in it. So this is a fence. So this fence, you'll also see these ties here. So you have 3.5 north. So this is stating that the fence at this point is 3.5 feet north of the boundary line. You'll come back here, you will have the same thing, 1.1 west. So this is a wood fence here, 6-foot wood fence coming down. And then another thing I want to state is the iron rods. So at every corner, there will be an iron rod or some type of monument, whether it be a concrete monument, an iron rod. And you will then see here, so you have FIRC, that's found rod at the corners where you have 5/8 illegible. So the rod that they found was illegible, and they're stating that the found rod is actually 5/10 east of the boundary line. And then you'll see SIR. So they set a rod. So when they set a rod, there'll be a rod on the ground that they place that they found that is correct. And if you come up here on that rod, there will be a cap with their LB number, which is their survey number, which I will show you here on the survey. Give me 1 second. And here's their LB numbers, LB8709. So that'll be on the survey itself. So coming in more, you have utility poles with the overhead line shown. You'll have your right-of-way here. It'll state how wide the right-of-way is. And then you'll also have ties from the boundary line to the center right-of-way. On the outside here, you have bearings and distances with measurements. So this is a platted subdivision. So you have 125 foot on this end per the plat. And we measured, or they measured, I should say, 125.24. So this is just a little look into the survey, and also you'll have the total area square footage, the parcel ID number, and then the lot and block number. So like I said, this is just a quick little inside look into what is going on a survey itself. I'm going to be going into further detail with some other examples. Until next time, have a great one.